Is that original Gundam?
No, it's not.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's a different universe one. But yeah, this was actually it's like from the 2010s.
What is this robot from space?
This is the Gundam Virtues. Oh, I'm too short now. It's a Gundam Virtues from the O Gundams, or just yes, it is.
Is that original Gundam?
No, it's not.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's a different universe one. But yeah, this one's actually it's like from the 2010s.
Ah,
Yeah, it's not that old, but yeah.
right. Go on, pop it open. What's in
Yeah.
here?
All right,
Tell us about this guy. Who is he?
So this guy is the fourth Gundam from Sets of Beings.
Is he a goodie or baddie?
Like my answer, there's no good and bad in this universe.
Just
for
a difference of opinion.
Yeah,
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
Love that.
matter of fact.
Yeah, sick. Go on.
Alright.
What's his claim to fame?
So for this one is like you say it's like you see it here. It's a very bulky guy, all right? But it's like bulky, it's like a gym stuff, and like he goes a ton of layers, ammo and stuff.
Right.
Yeah, but like inside, it's just like a small figures, but it's very like a powerful Gundams, I would say.
There you go.
Yeah.
And what's the purpose of this Gundam?
The purpose of Gundam is like to defend like a traitors, like to kill the traitors.
Are the traitors other Gundams?
Yeah, like if
Right.
another Gundams go roof, then this guy is the keys of is a matter of fact to solve that problem.
Right. Well, there we go. Yeah, right. Pop it open. Now,
Yeah.
is this thing a brand new release?
Yeah, it's like I would say like for first before we open this one is you see it's like for a master grade, this one very big box compared to the master grade Gundam.
Okay.
Yeah, another master grade Gundam would take about like this kind of range.
Right.
Yeah, but this gun is very big, like because like you see it's like this guy very big one, but like the big gun is not the whole Gundam. It's just like the ammo.
Right.
Yeah, so that's why it's very big in here.
Yeah.
So
Pop it
let's
out.
just open this first.
This is exciting. Oh, so many things.
Yeah, so like every time I do the Gundam, let's counting the runner first. So we have 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 runners
Holy dooly.
just for the one MG Gundams. 24
That'll keep you
runners.
busy for hours.
Yeah, this one gonna keep now an hours? Nah, a week.
A week?
Yeah, if you like very like make your Gundam look very nicely, a week is a minimum.
Yeah, right. That's fun.
Yeah, that's fun. So as you can see it here. So let's take a look at the sticker first here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There we go.
like a normal MGs, we used to have some stickers here. We have some eye stickers. We don't have the clear part for the eye. So yeah, you can like either you pan your eye yourself, or you just put a sticker in. It's easy. It's just like your choice. And then we also have the water decal. Not too big for this one, which is good. I like it. I don't like a lot of decal. I don't want to spend like 2 or 3 hours on this just to put on the water decal.
Right.
And yeah, so one thing about this I like about this Gunpla is that this is the first Gunpla has got a hair.
Yeah, I saw a picture. Like, it's got like dreadlocks.
Yeah, it's like a dreadlock here, right? It's like I never seen like for entire my life, I never seen like Gunpla got a hair before. So literally is when I watch the videos when like the armor is going pluck off, this dude just show off and shows like a fabulous hair, the most fabulous hair I ever seen is a Gundam series.
Right. So this would be a popular choice.
It is a popular choice. We'll say like for 4 years ago, it's a very good choice. Is even for now, because for this Gun Plus, they use the whole new frame.
Right.
Like makes the gimmicks, the movement, the movesets is much more easier for you.
Right.
It's not like the original first Exia Gundams, so very nice. Talking about this one, right? We still have like as you can see, right? We have so much runner here, but like I would say it's like for a Gundam itself, it just take like 10 or 11 runners, which is very common, typicals.
Yeah.
But I think it's like a lot of guns, a lot of like runners here because of the armor.
Right.
So let me show you what's the difference. As you can see here, right? You can see here that this is a Gundam, guys. It's literally the Gundams here.
Right.
Yes. So that's where the hair come from.
Ah.
Yeah, so where the hair come from. And then but for this guy, just like the Gundam inside, right? This is Gundam inside. But this one is a whole armor.
Right.
Yeah, this one. This two of this is the whole armor. Very tanky, very bulky. He can take he has his own GN's shields. So literally he can like take any damage he can. He doesn't care at all. So that is for the Gundam himself. And I think like if you guys can buy the third party clear expansions, so you guys can like show off like when this guy plug off his armor.
Right.
Yeah, that is like the main points. I like that because like you can just order online to get the like the armor plug off. So how can I show you guys about this one? Let's just for a bit.
Oh.
Sorry, Wills.
That's okay.
Where is it? No, it doesn't show here. But yeah, I see like if you are watching the TV series, you will see is the one scene like this guy pluck off the armors. So yeah, try to get that. Really recommend that. Yeah, I think that's for this Gundam. That's all I can say about. Like this guy is like just overall, this guy is the total upgrade from the last 4 Gun Plus.
Right.
Yeah, and how would say this? The whole like the frame, the gimmicks. I say the frame, the gimmicks. This guy also the first one who can open the armors, like the plug off the plug off systems. So yeah, that's the unique of this one. And I think that's it. Yeah, this 49 is that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
You have any question for this one?
Man, I don't know what this thing is.
Or you don't know?
Nah.
Want to take a tour?
No. I don't know. I just don't get it. I just like trains. So
All right,
Yeah.
different people, I guess.
that's it.
Yeah.
Now I'm not sure what's going on here. I can see Tony Gray in the corner of the screen here, and he's waving at me. But Brett didn't say anything about him coming on.
Yeah.
I'm guessing he can hear me too because he keeps waving. So
Yeah.
yeah, he's doing nodding. All right, go get hang out for a sec. You have a quick chat here, and I'm going to go and just grab the box. Hey.
Yep.
You talk about this. I'll be right back.
Oh, guys. So guess only me here at the moment. We're just gone. So how about we just talk about another stuff here again? So like another MGs, we also have these things, the gen drivers, and then we also will have some water decal for that as well, like this one. Feel free to do it. For me personally, I don't like to put the water decals at all. It takes times and stuff. Last time I take me 3 hours just to put it on these ones.
I'm back.
Oh,
Keep going, John. Keep going there, buddy.
yep. And then you see it's like here. You see in here, right? It's just like another ton of just this one just for the leg, and is so very big already. It's an MG, people. It's an MG. It's not a PGs here. Even a PG.
What did you get up to, mate?
We're just talking about some like features of this gun plus, like how big is this compared to like another MG.
How big is it? Look at it,
Yes,
it's taking up the whole bloody bench.
yeah, like this.
I have to get bloody Will James rocket out of my hand.
Oh, really?
It feels a bit weird.
And you can see for this one, for the armors, you can do some panel life here. I think like Bandai also make the panel life for this one. You don't think too much about the panelizing. Maybe gas of chisel, scribe a bit, so the ink can go more smoothly. And yeah, like I think for this gunplay, it's very nice.
Have you built this one before, John?
No, I haven't built it one, but I built four of this same series
In
But-
metal grade, in
in the series
in master grade.
yeah, in Master Grade. I built the Exia, I built the Kyrios, I built the Dynames. Those are great Gundam, and this one is show up later, so I can confirm you guys this one can be even better than those four.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this one.
Because it's newer.
Yeah, it's the newest one here.
Oh,
That's why. And yeah, I already talked with them about some kind of cool gimmicks about this gunpla. So yeah, I think I've covered like mostly everything about this gunpla.
covered everything.
Yep.
Fantastic. Well, we've got a massive Gundam shipment coming in Monday and Tuesday next week.
Oh.
We're going to have the doors. We won't be able to shut them. So come in and see us. We're going to have Gundam out of our wazoo, as TFG would say.
Yep.
So that's really cool.